This will be a hotel room tour of room number 1951 here at the Hilton Hotel, Fallsview in Niagara Falls, Ontario. This here is your room key. I'll draw the room key by mistake. You're going to scan it. Okay, so when you come in here, you have the door with the fire plan. You got a little peephole in here. You have a latch, a deadbolt, and here you have a closet with a couple hangers, as well as a safe. Now this is considered a luxury suite, so there's 2 rooms inside. Right here you have a Samsung TV, which I am not going to turn on due to copyright reasons. This is your TV remote. You have a dresser. This right here is the first bed. Looks pretty nice. And then over here, you got a mini iHome dock. Another dresser. Got a lamp here where you can plug in your electronics, as well as in there. Over here you have another nightstand with your telephone rates. Over here is a standard hotel telephone. Another lamp. Turn it on. Turn it back off. In here, you have a another dresser. Got a painting, and then another air vent, or 1 air vents. Up here you have a smoke detector, and then a sprinkler. Now this here is quite nice. This is a luxury suite. Over here you have a proper sink, which is quite nice. Got a mini kitchen here. You got some blinds. This doesn't really face out.
In the daylight you can see outside, but there's nothing to see.
Yeah.
It's just the roof.
They're just working on a new performing arts center.
Yeah.
I'll be filming the elevators there when it's open.
The best view is yet to come.
Yeah. There's my dad.
Hello. Wait. I'm lowering the drapes. Curtains.
Down
Blinds.
here you have a coffee maker.
Yes. Which we won't be using.
Yep. You have your option for butter, different coffee types.
Cream and cups and lids and
Yep.
stirrers. But if you use any of that, you pay for it.
Yep.
In most cases. And so we don't need it. But show them, Matthew.
I'm going to continue here before I shut the bathroom.
All right. Show them the bathroom.
And here you actually have a mini fridge in here. Looks pretty cool. Although there's nothing in it. There's a mini fridge right there. You got here some equipment. Some of the plumbing equipment. But this is, think of it. Then in here is the bathroom. You get the light going. This in here is your bathroom. You have a nice jacuzzi. Over here you can see a nice nice window or a nice set of blinds. And you may notice there's no actual string that you pull on to open it. Instead, check this out. It's automatic. Now this is pretty cool. There's a mirror. You have your sink down here, as well as some soap, which I've already used. Then you got some other stuff here. Down here you have more towels. And then in here, you got this neat little sink here, or a neat little door. It's a great privacy feature. Down here you have your toilet. It's a gerber commode. Pretty interesting. Up here you got toilet paper as well as in-room items. Pause if you want to read that. You got some more toilet paper. This here is your shower, which I'm going to show you guys right here. Okay, I'm continuing the room tour. How would you be talking about Dad? This right here is your shower. Looks pretty nice. It's actually all tiled on the inside. I like that. Here's your control. So this is a thing where you can put your soap. There's a shower head. So this is a nice handle. And then you got a nice door here. Alright, we're going to continue the room tour here. This is the view from our room. It's quite nice, actually. You can see down to the casino, as well as some of the other hotels in the Skyline Tower. And you can even see over to the American Falls. And then over here, you have some beds, or a sleeper sofa. This is your ice container. And then over here is your another hotel telephone. There's another dresser. This one has nothing in it. There's a lamp, as well as another, actually king beds. You have another iHome dock. Another dresser. And another lamp. If you go over here, you have a working fireplace. So some more dressers with nothing in them. This is your TV. Not going to turn it on for copyright reasons. Guest services guide. Standard hotel telephone. You have a desk here and another lamp. This looks pretty nice. I like this room a lot. So, anyways, thank you for watching this hotel room tour, and that's it.